And let's see what's included in a complete kit. This is the Red Arc Towpro V3. This is the switch insert for the dash panel. Here's some cable ties. And this is the mounting bracket, the 300 mods. It's our brand. Here's some small but very important bits. There's 2 screws, 2 nuts, 1 crimper connector, and 1 fuse holder. This is our cable harness. The biggest cable is the blue harness, the blue cable. Here's the red cable, the red one. This is the power cable. I will show you how to install the cable. The most job is how to run the cable. The next step is we mount this Towpro to this bracket. Okay, let's do it. It's a Towpro thing. This one. We need this cable. And we need this thing. This is the manual. You can read after the installation. Now we need this one. Okay, we take out these 4 screws. We use a screwdriver. You notice this character, Towpro and 300 mods. Do not mount like the other way, just like this. You see the direction of the character, like this. Use the number 7 spanner. Okay. The next step is we install this one. We take this small thing out there one and do something like this. Then take out this nut, plastic nut. Then use the number 12. Tighten this a little bit. Yeah. Now you need to. This is facing up, and counterclockwise this knob to its most, and mount this 0 to the top. Yeah, because that's 0, then we go to number 10, go back to number 0, go back to number 10, and this one we'll go to here. On this side we'll go to here. And you can lose this one a little bit, this one a little bit, and use the cable tie to tie this Towpro, because I find sometimes the Red Arc didn't make this thing very well, so they will fall apart. So that's why we use cable tie to make them more secure. and then you maybe leave some, use this thing, and then tighten it. And make like this. Then we use snipper. Cut this thing. This thing. Yep. Let's drop this down. Now we go to the underbody of the Landcruiser 300. Here's the spy tire. So here's the trailer plug, and this is the Toyota trailer plug harness. There's a blue cable. You just crimp, use that connector, the yellow connector, and crimp this blue cable with our blue cable, crimp them together, and use heat gun to shrink, waterproof, and use put another layer of insulation tape. Then you use cable tie to make it firm. Then run this cable through here, and then go to their side, and then you go to here. Use a cable tie it here. Use a cable tie tied here, and the cable tie. Everything is cable tie. Here we use this hole. This rubber seal is coming with our harness, and remove that one and run through into the canby, into the boot, and use the snipper to cut all the cable tie. That's the job on the body. Now the cable, the blue cable going from the underbody, go to the canby from this hole. You will see. Which hole? See this one? This is our blue cable. Go into the boot, and then you remove this panel, and tear off this panel. I already show you how to remove this panel in my video how to install the tailgate. And then you put two cable tie here, one, two, to firmly, and then run the cable, and run the cable like this. Then run the cable like this. Then go to the front. We're going to mount this bracket to here. You mount the Towpro here, then run the cable. There's harness under there. Plug in. And one goes to from here and through here. From here, you remove this panel and remove the panel here. Remove this panel and the Towpro harness from this side, and go to here. Here is the power supply to the Towpro, and you need to remove this screw, and please do use some tape to put here to prevent cutting your hand, because this edge is very sharp. And now you see this one. That yellow, there's a white and yellow. That one whole small yellow plug, that's the brake signal. You can put out the piggyback harness. You need a very a long screwdriver to help you, that'll be easier. If you have a small hand, that'll be much easier. If you have a GX, GXL, be much easier. VX, that because there's a ECU, block access, but finally you can do it. You see that yellow plug here. When you find this plug, there's a login tab here, and then use the screwdriver to plug it, and then take this login tab, and 1, 2, and then from the back there's one empty into this plug. Yeah, you must here clip, and then you must push this back, and then push it back. This plug, you must make sure all the plug is firmly plug in. That one you can pull a little bit to make sure everything is connected.